think we should go to this kidnapping. I think we should go to this kidnapping.
That possible matching Dallas and Whitmore for Taurus.
33, give us in 33.
I know channel 1033 for Mary 33.
Alright, we're westbound Glen Arbor coming to Dallas. Be pursued. All match in the description. Rolling the stop. Northbound Dallas. Passenger in the back looks like he's getting ready to Lakeville.
I copy westbound Glen Arbor.
Y833, all take over comms. Alright, pit is mobilized and successful.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! You don't move! Put your hands on top of your head now! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! You don't move! Put your hands on top of your head now!